do we all love dogs?
Yes.
All of you?
Yes.
So it's our responsibility to take care of the health of every single dog, right? So that's why Dr. Murugan started a campaign called of vaccination for rabies free in Goa. And today Goa is rabies free state. So now what happens? Now here time comes. We are rabies free. Goa is rabies free. You are from Goa. And we all love dogs. Whenever we are bringing dogs from outside, other parts, we love dogs. Whenever we see dogs, we fall in love, right? That's how it is, right? They're nice creatures. Yeah? Cute little dogs walking around on the roads, we pick them. But do we get them vaccinated? Yeah? Then we should do it. Otherwise, the whole purpose of this campaign doesn't get fulfilled. So this is a moral responsibility. When we love someone, we should take care of their well-being, health. That's what it is all about. So that's why you students have been called here to understand how the campaign works. So the campaign here has been going on for last 7 years, and been part of this campaign for last 2 years. Been understanding what exactly is it about. It's all about, not about just bringing the dogs and getting them vaccinated, but it's our moral and social responsibility. So do you all guys would like to contribute towards this campaigning? I don't hear. You all just love dogs and you all don't want to take care of dogs? Can you be a little louder and say?
Louder.
The closing ceremony went on well. The closing ceremony is to declare the people that what was done during the last 21 days during the static point campaign. This is to educate the people in this under 6 talukas of Goa about rabies, and they should be given the caution that any time there may be virus incursion, rabies incursion from other states. So this is a program for creating awareness as well as vaccinating giving free vaccination for the owner dog. In the case of Panjim city, we have done, in addition to the vaccination, we have also done microchipping also, free of cost for all the animals, and those animals which are looking for neutering, that is also being arranged through the Panjim Animal Welfare Society. So we want to see Panjim city about 70 to 80% of the dogs vaccinated, sterilized and neutered in the future. There is one more phase of the neutering program which is going to start from tomorrow. So with all these things, we want this Panjim city to be vaccinated, sterilized and neutered in the future. We may be able to cover about 80%. For all other cities, the vaccinations have been done during this campaign, free of cost for all the owner dogs.
So and this vaccination camp is closed now?
Today it is closing for the owner dogs.
Owner dogs.
Then the regular vaccinations in the borders will continue.
Okay, and street dogs.
That is going on throughout the year for the street dogs. So that will be continuing throughout the year for the street dogs. But this is only for the 6 talukas for the owner dogs that is closing today.
So any figure how many dogs have been vaccinated?
Yeah, roughly about 5,000 to 6,000. Last figures I am yet to receive. About 6,000 dogs probably could have been covered during this campaign by the owner dogs.
Vaccination and microchipping?
Microchipping is only for city, Panjim city. That may be around 200 or something. But for the whole of the 6 talukas, the total vaccinations could be around 6,000.